Hey boys and girls, so I'm going to show you a little tutorial on Tab Resize. I know there's some floating around out there from some other teachers, but here's another one that's going to be exactly what you should be looking at. So I'm going to start from the beginning. Here I am. If you don't have Tab Resize extension, this one right here that I'm circling at the top page with my mouse, if you do not have that extension downloaded, you need to go to the Google Chrome store. Search Tab Resize and add to Chrome. You cannot do what I'm about to do unless you have this here. Once you have downloaded it and added the extension, go to your puzzle piece, come down and find it. You can be looking for your icon, find it, and then you want to pin it. Make this push pin blue. See, if I take it off, it moves it. If I put it back, it sits back up there. Okay? Once you have downloaded Tab Resize, okay, so here I am right where you would be on my Google Classroom, and I'm going to choose which class I want to go into. So I'm just going to pick a class. This is a 5th grade class. Okay, so here's my class right here, and my Google Meet is here, right? So I'm going to, of course, join my Google Meet, right? So when I join Google Meet, it's going to throw that Meet into a new tab, always, okay? Go back here, and today I'm supposed to open up some materials. Okay, I'm supposed to open up my character chart. So here it is. I'm going to open my character chart. It's going to throw that right next to and in between my class and my meet. Okay, but Miss Carver's typing and I can't see what she's typing and type at the same time. You have two solutions. You can write in your workbook and type later, or you can use Tab Resize if you're a good typer, you just need to see. So here it is. Tab Resize is going to open whatever tab you are in and the tab to the right. Okay, to the right. I go back to my class. I go back to my character chart, and then I Tab Resize. When I hit that Tab Resize, it's going to let me pick what I want to do. Well, I don't want to do 1 by 1. I'm already doing that. 2 by 2, that's a lot, and I don't need 4 things open. So I'm either going to stick with 2 by 1 or 1 by 2. They're either going to be top and bottom or side by side. Totally your preference. It just depends on what you're doing. If I'm doing something like this, I would probably want to do a top and bottom so that I can see what she's typing and I can type on mine at the bottom. So when I do this, it takes my meat out of this tab, out of this browser, and it moves it for me. So now, oh look. Well, there's Miss Carver. Just kidding, it's me. There's Miss Carver teaching her lesson. And if she's presenting and I've pinned her, whatever she's typing is pulled up right here, right? And then up here, I can go in and do my work. So I can see both. When I get done, or I want to make it bigger, I can hit the maximize. Now it makes Miss Carver big again. Minimize, puts it right back down, okay, into the right size. When you get done with meat, if you don't want 2 tabs open, you can take meat and you can put it right back up there. All I did was grab that tab and move it. Okay, to control which tabs are going to open, if I want my classwork and my meat to open, I'm going to move my meat beside my classwork. And now it's going to open this one and the one to the right. Okay, so here's the deal. You have to play with this on your own. Teachers are not going to stop in the middle of their lesson to help you get Tab Resize working. You're going to have to practice, and the more you practice, the better you're going to get. And once you get good at Tab Resize, it's a game changer for you virtual kids. Okay? Like I said, you're going to have to practice on your own. Do not ask a teacher to stop and help you. Watch this video as many times as you need to. All right? Good luck, guys. You're doing great.